Hey, it's Kevin. Welcome to my channel, Kaylee Cooks. And today I'll be starting a new series called Quarantine Cooks. And basically what this series is about, it's just recording videos of what I cook in my day-to-day to feed me and my wife and our family. And basically, it's gonna be a mix between recipes and teaching how to cook, but then also just cooking for enjoyment. So it won't be too technical, however I'll be showing you different steps along the way as to how I make certain dishes and stuff. So today we'll be making Chinese dumplings as well as a ginger dumpling sauce. The ingredients are any type of pre-packaged Chinese dumplings, or any dumplings for that matter. And then for the sauce, you're gonna need raw ginger. Try to get a piece that is kind of big and square because we're gonna cut it into little strips and put them in raw in our sauce. And then you'll need black vinegar and also soy sauce. So I've already washed and scrubbed the ginger a little bit, but we basically want to turn this into a square that we can cut thin rectangles out, and then we can line them up and then cut thin strips. Now you could use a spoon to peel this and that would yield you the most ginger. However, I'm just gonna cut it into squares so that I can just get this done as soon as possible. All right, now that we have our little cube or rectangle, we're going to cut them as thinly as we can into strips. Alright, now you kind of want to get the pieces that look alike and are relatively the same in shape and size. Stack them up and then just kind of wave them down across. So it's almost like they're overlapping one another. Then once you have that, just slice them as thinly as you can. And now you should have pretty thin slices of ginger. All right, once your ginger is sliced, go ahead and take some and put it into a bowl. And then add soy sauce. Just enough to just cover the bottom of the ginger. And then you don't have to be exact when you do this. So I would start with like 1 or 2 spoons and then just taste as you go and adjust to your own liking. Mix it around a bit and then give it a taste. I think you could use a little bit more vinegar. Yep, that's perfect for me. All right, since I have 2 packets of dumplings, I'm gonna put 1 in one pan and 1 in the other. So turn your pans onto a medium-high heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons or about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or any oil. Let that heat up. Add in your dumplings. Now if you can, try to get the flat side of the dumpling to be on the pan. Now sometimes you'll get these clumps of dumplings. Break them apart if you can, but if you can't, then oh well. You want to fry these until they're lightly brown on the bottom. If you feel like they're getting too burnt or it's too hot, then turn the heat down to medium. We're going to take some water and then just cover about 1/4 of the dumpling height. Now now we're gonna cover the pans. We're gonna cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes or so, but you can check on them and see if the water's dried out. And then if it has, you can add more water. You just don't wanna get them burned on the bottom. If you feel like you have to lower the heat, then go ahead and lower it as well. So once they're brown on the bottom, just remove the cover, let them cook for maybe 1 more minute or so, and then they'll be ready to serve. Here's the finished product. We got Chinese dumplings and then the mild dumpling sauce. And then I also made one with some chili paste. Thanks for joining me on this first episode of Quarantine Cooks. Stick around, subscribe, hit the like button, and then we'll see what else we cook up during this quarantine. Stay safe and practice good social distancing. See ya.